Hello. Um, Today I'm gonna be reacting to one of Jesse Ortiz videos. And should I go see Jesse Ortiz? You're one of my good friends on YouTube. um, so I'm gonna be reacting to Alec, Baldwin, Dumbing, Thomas the Tank Engine, Volume 1, 18 plus. This video contains bad languages, by the way. So yeah. So just be warned, by the way. Anyway, so let's just start the video.
Percy, look at the glory. What's this lump of steaming scrap iron he teased?
You are shit! Hit the bricks, pal, and beat it because you are going out!
Said Percy. Wished it loudly. Harold wants to get rid of us, said Gordon. He doesn't need tunnels, added Henry. Don't worry, he's just counting sheep, said Percy. Counting sheep? Pa, snorted Gordon. He's counting how many engines he can get rid of. He'll see how useful I am tomorrow.
Bitching about that sale you shot, some son of a bitch don't want to buy land, somebody don't want what you're selling, some broad, so forth. Let's talk about something important.
He just grew unhappier, and he was rough with the freight cars. You're no good, Oliver. You're dangerous. We want Percy.
Fuck you! You hear me, you fucking faggots?
Oliver
Oh my gosh.
hard. They've closed our playground and our favorite sand pit. Teacher says the sand is soiled and too dirty to play in. Please help us, Thomas. It takes brass balls to sell this. Percy had to stop at Edward Station to take on water. We got to find a good luck package. Do you know what that is? Oh, yes, indeed. Something old, something new. You think I'm fucking with you? I'm not fucking with you.
Fuck you! That's my name. You know why, mister? Because you drove a Hyundai to get here tonight. I drove an $80,000 BMW. That's my name.
Well, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.